Order for today, Friday. Ayan, bound to Quezon City. Yan, order ni Ma'am Rose Marie de la Cruz. Ayan ang order niya, guys. Ayan, may kani salad, may creamy maha, merong California maki, merong mixed California maki and crab roll salad, merong kimbap, and meron ding mix na kimbap and California maki. So, next order ko bound to Pag-ibig Main Office. Ayan, ang order ni Ma'am Fe. Ayan, may kani salad din. As usual, ganun pa din ang order niya. May maki, may mix. So, thank you, Ma'am Fe. Next order ko ay order ni si Cheryl. Thank you so much, sis, sa pag-order ulit. Ayan, sa pagsisipag. Ayan ang order niya. May mix, may kani salad, and California maki. Susulit na sulit yan, guys. Tingnan nyo naman yung kani salad natin. And California maki. So, ayan ang order ni si Cheryl. Thank you so much. Dadalhin yan sa sumbahan, guys. Thank you for watching.